Today, we keep working on our best day trading strategy with the best indicator. We will talk about how to predict that this particular coin would rally from the last video. We have so much to discuss and learn. If you are good to go, let's do this now. As you remember from my last video, I talked about this super coin and how it had a great potential to rally. But why did I say that? And how I used our indicator to predict rallies. Let's start from the zero, starting from the weekly chart. In the last video, I warned you that filling imbalances can cause huge reactions. Just like here in the weekly chart, once the price filled this gigantic imbalance to the tick, it reacted like crazy and it ignited an amazing rally. In the daily chart, we already talked about how this SR Phillips zone was holding the price. It was a simple attention of buyers. Buyers obviously like this coin. Notice this gigantic momentum imbalance here. This price obviously wants to clear this parabolic liquidity area. Now, all this is great, but all the magic happens with the momentum layout. In the momentum layout, we will use our best trading view indicator called ICT high time frame candles. We have a simple aim here, finding the repetitive patterns. We already know that buyers have a great interest in this coin through daily and weekly charts. That is clear. Now let's see. Notice the bottom imbalances here. How those ignited the first rally at the bottom. Then notice the mid-level imbalances here. These are fueled by for the second rally. And finally, the rally today, ignited by these three imbalances. Now, this price is supercharged. In trading, we always seek repetitive patterns and try to play with them to make profits. Now, all this is great. How about trading and making entries? Let's deep dive to the lower time frames. Low time frames can make you feel overwhelmed, but do not. First of all, point out where the midterm imbalances tapped. This green point where this coin is supercharged with multiple midterm imbalances. Ironically, notice what happens here. Price sweeps liquidity and gives you the market structure break. And with this gigantic balanced price range, this gives you your first entry. Nice and a clean trade here. A beginner level price action concept here. Naturally, you have missed that trade. Nothing wrong here. We all keep missing trades. But later on, it gives you the first break-off structure with a nice imbalance area. And this gives you the second trade. Nothing confusing. This is a straightforward trading here. Now all this is awesome, but you have missed that second trade too. Then it is making another break-off structure with a nice imbalance. However, this time you are manipulated and stopped out. It is part of the trading business. Even the best traders in the world would have been stopped out here. There's nothing but nothing wrong here. We all get stopped out. So, if you were watching this coin as I suggested in the last video, you should have been making 3 trades today. 2 wins and 1 loss. This is not a bad result. Actually, it is a pretty good day for even pro traders. Okay, friends, That's it for the day. See you next time and please take care.